Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuz by Reggie here. We're gonna do a little something different in this video. There's a lot of switching and changing and things dropping in the industry right now. And I just want to give my opinions on a few things, or my thoughts on a few things. And it won't be everything that's happening in the industry. Just a few things I've came across from a few different companies, what's dropping, all that good stuff. And before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video, dislike the video if you dislike it, you know, and share it if you like. But let's get into this. There's a few things dropping. I want to talk about it. Let's go. So with all that being said, we're going to start with Gamma Stylecraft. Starting with Gamma. Gamma just released the X Ergo, not just, but they released the X Ergo and the X Evo. I did a review on these, so I won't get too deep into this, but the link is in the description or somewhere up here, wherever I put it. Check the description, right? But great clippers, good trimmers. Not a fan of the Evo trimmers. I think I'm just so hooked on the T outliners and the Babyless Gold FXs that the Evos are not bad. They good, but I go back to what I've been using. As far as the clippers though, I do use the clippers. I don't even have the Evos here with me. I don't even have the box here with me. But that's a whole nother story, right? But the Ergos, they like $219. So if you haven't tried them yet, go ahead and get them $219. If you don't want to pay that $219 but still want to get that power and everything else from the Ergos, you can get the Rogues from Stylecraft. All right. And then to Stylecraft, they sent me these. I've been talking about them. I'm not going to talk too deep into about them right now. I have a review coming later this week. But the Mythics, pretty good clipper. They are on pre-order right now on the Stylecraft website. And anytime you shop on Gamma or you go through Stylecraft, make sure that you use the discount code Cuts by Reggie. Save you a couple dollars. Also from them, they have the beard comb on the way. I've used a few different types of beard combs. So, I mean, I have one ordered, so I'm definitely going to see how it is. But it's not nothing that I'm too surprised on. I used the red hot pick from Shouty, whatever. I'm going to leave the link of that. I used the red hot pick, which is great for me. That's Stylecraft and Gamma. If you use the Ergos, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about them. And if you're excited about this Mythic. I don't know if you watched my last video, but I talk about it a little bit. But I'm going to leave a full review. I'm going to do a full review of the Mythic later. So we're not worried about that today. Let's keep it moving. Now, I don't have too much to say about the Andis, right? Andis just put out that they're coming out with the GTX, the XO, which is the coolest trimmer. Somewhat the industry is excited about it, somewhat not. It's a $260 trimmer. If you use the regular T outliner, it wasn't too great, at least to me, right? I've seen videos of people using them, hitting good, right? I wasn't a fan of it. But they do have the cordless GTX on the way. Gold blade, all that looks nice. But they've also done something very interesting. So they have deleted all of their posts on Instagram. Completely deleted, right? And at first it was just 2 posts left, and it was just of the GTX, the new release, right? So I'm thinking, well, they focusing on the release. All right, cool. I hit up Barber. They didn't know what was going on either. So I'm like, okay, they only want to focus on this. All right, no worries. That's your new release. Makes sense. But then you go back to their Instagram. They completely washed everything away. Everything was deleted. And then they got this new, I guess, rebranding going on. And I looked at Filthy Blends, or not looked at, but Filthy Blends had posted something about what's going on. But I don't know for sure. You go to their Instagram, there's like a countdown on their page. And then you go to their website and it's continuing to count down. And I think the last time I looked at it, it was like at the time of recording, this is like 30 hours or something left of what they got coming up. So when I release this video, their info of what's going on should be out. But who knows? It's kind of weird. First, I thought they page might have been hacked, but who knows, right? But all in all, whatever. If you're excited about the GTX cordless, the XOs, let me know. I see a lot of people, that price point is crazy. Yes, I ordered one. I had to. I seen it, I ran to the website, got me one, boom. They should be on the way. I'll let y'all know when they get here. If you're gonna cop one, let me know. If not, let me know. Let's talk about it. All right? What else we got? Now, it's not too much to say about JRL. They released the gold versions of the 2020C, the 2020T. I did a full review on this. They good clippers. I mean, if you like the JRLs, the 2020C, you're gonna like these, all right? The trimmers, of course, trimmers are good. I think that gold blade is a lot better on that, but I don't use the trimmers. Just like I said about every other trimmer, I'm cool, you know what I'm saying? I try them out, I like them, but nothing to me compares to the T Outliners, the corded version. You can get this and the trimmer all together for, I think it's $275 or $270. I'll leave the price right here. All right, go to their website, check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, and I guess this is where we're kind of in the video to an extent. So Caliber just dropped the 9mm, and then they also dropped a little while ago the 44 Magnums, the Fullmatic FMJ Full Metal Jacket Edition. You can go to their website, check those out. I did reviews on all them. This right here, this is starting to replace my Magic Clip. Magic Clips are still great clippers, of course, right? Still great clippers. This just give me 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours of runtime. And they cut through bulk. They got the power, all that good stuff. So I've been using them. You hear what I'm saying? So if you want to get anything from Caliber, go to their website, use Reggie 15, save you 15% on anything that you order from them. Make sure you definitely try these out. Make sure you definitely try out the 9mm. I left a review on that, but you're gonna like those, and they're only $89. So you versus the Wall Magic Clips versus the 9mm, same build. This got a little bit more torque to it, and it lasts 4 hours, and at $89. I mean, and if you use Reggie 15 discount code, you save you 15%. All right, and then what else? Who else we got? We got Wall. I don't know what's going on with Wall. I know they just released the charging docks, which I have one of the charging docks for the Wall Magic Clips, or they for their clippers, but I use them for my Magic Clips or whatever. And then I heard somewhere that they're working on ceramic blades. And I get that these companies are still staples. And I get that people are going to still rock with these companies. And I'm still going to buy damn near anything that dropped from Wall, because I do like Wall. But isn't it just a little, don't they seem a little behind on, just like Andis with their new revamp? If you look at Andis' Instagram and you look at the videos that they got posted of now, it seems like they're trying to, they like the, and I don't want this to sound any kind of way, but they're like the older folks are still trying to be hip. And they just trying to walk into the party like, hey, we got this too. And of course, with Andis, we don't know what they're dropping. So we don't know exactly what's going on. It might just be revampings of what they already got. As far as Wall, with the charging docks, I already had charging docks for Wall clippers. Of course, they were third-party companies. But it just seems like they're like, They just seem like they're behind on what's going on. I got the charging dot. They're working on ceramic blades, which you can go to Atlanta Barber. You can go to Amazon. You can go damn near anywhere and find ceramic blades for wall clippers. So, you know, I mean, there's still a business. So if stuff is working and people want it, yeah, it makes sense to jump in there and take advantage of what people wanting. I just feel like they're a little bit behind on certain things. And then Babyliss. Babyliss have the FX or the FX3 collection dropping, which is a clipper, trimmer, shaver. They're dropping it at the CT Barber Expo. As far as everything else, man, in the industry, it just feel like right now, I'm a music fan too, so this feel like when summer started, usually before COVID and everything happened, when summer started, you would get all the big artists dropping they club singles, everybody dropping something to get everything going, right? It's just what it seemed like right now in the industry. Everybody's dropping clippers. There's not a lot of trimmers being dropped besides the Exos from Andis. It's not like a lot of trimmers being dropped. Of course, Babyliss got that coming, but I don't know. You know, clippers is the main thing. Everybody trying to get that run time on the clippers, which is another thing with Andis and Wall. Like I always say, I am not on the inner working of these companies. I don't know what it takes to build a clipper, build a trimmer. I don't know. But it just seems like these smaller companies, whether they're rebranding clippers from here or getting clippers from over here, it seems like these smaller companies are able to get the hours of runtime, also get the power. JRL got the LED display. I wish more clippers would have that LED display. I do, but it's not hurting not to have them. But it just seemed like some of these bigger companies, not even some of these big companies. Wow, Andy, Oster, what's going on, Oster? I ain't even seen nothing that's supposed to come from. I mean, of course they got the I can't even think of the name of the clippers. Fast feeds coming. But they coming. That's something that's supposed to, and that goes into a whole nother thing of people already got some of these products. That's one thing about Andis with these trimmers, with the skeleton. They jumping in, but people already got them. Of course, we didn't get them from Andis, but you already got the skeleton because we done them. We done them ourselves. Whether you get them from somebody who smoothed it out, or you be like us and we just cut the top off and jag that thing up. But it works. It gets the job done. But I am excited about what's happening right now. You get what I'm saying? So that's all. I'm just rambling. Oh, and another thing. The company, I don't even know how to, Kiepe, K-I-E-P-E. When people, or a lot of people, when I post certain clippers, they say, well, you can get this, blah, 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 right? Some companies don't ship to the US. So to get that version of the clipper, I need one of y'all to hit me up on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie and let me know if you got a brand new one for sale, and we'll take it from there. Because if I can't get that clipper, which I would get both of them anyway, but if I can't get that clipper, my only choice is to get one of the clipper brands that's here in the States. That's all I can do, all right? Now, just like some other countries don't have countries don't have the calibers and stuff like that. So I'm just getting what's able to ship to me. You know what I'm saying? Now, if y'all got certain brands of clippers that y'all think I should try out that's better than anything I've used already or reviewed, hit me up. I pay for them. I buy everything. Just hit me up on Instagram, and if it's new, I'll use it. I don't want nothing that's been tinkered with. I don't want nothing that got a different blade or none of that stuff. I want it brand new, unopened, and I'll take it from there. All right? Like I said, I wasn't going to talk about everything in the industry. I'm just going to ramble for a second. But this portion of the video has already been too long. So if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. Comment, share, subscribe. And maybe we'll do some of these a little bit more where they won't be so long. It's a lot that's going on from Caliber, Babeless, JRL, Wall, Andis, and of course, Stylecraft and Gamma. All right. If you shop in Stylecraft or Gamma, use Cuts by Reggie. If you shop in Caliber, use Reggie 15. And I'll be back. My next video should be the full review of the Mythic Clipper. I'm gonna use it a little bit longer just so I know what I like and dislike. Other than that, we out. Where you at? We out. Where you at? Where you at? Peace.